Dear scholars, today we want to discuss about MDPI, SSCI and AHCI publishers. In some universities, there is a requirement that students should publish their work with MDPI, SSCI and AHCI. So I have made this video for you. MDPI stands for Multidisciplinary Digital Publishing Institute, and this link shows the list of all journals and MDPI journal selector. If we just copy this link and paste here, you will reach here. This is journal selector. You will paste your title here, then abstract, and you will search, and it will show you that which journals are most appropriate for your paper. So this is a very good tool. When I explored it, I found three journals which are relevant with us. First is languages. This is the name of the journal. Its link has been given, and when we check it from AHCI, it has a Y category. It has been included in Scopus and Web of Science. It has APC stands for Article Publishing Charges. It charges 1400 francs, and today its monetary value is 3 lakh rupees. Second journal is its title is literature. Obviously, it publishes papers from the domain of literature, but if there is an intersection between literature and linguistics, such papers can also be published. Its link has been given, then its article processing charges are 1000 francs, which are equal to 2,14,000. But main issue is that this is not an HEC recognized journals. But if some student lives in abroad, as I have mentioned, one student in Cyprus who wanted to take this information, he is not in the need of HEC, so that person can publish in this journal literature. Third journal which is associated with us is humanities. Its link has been given. In AHCI, it has a Y category. It has not been included in Scopus, but it is the part of Web of Science. Its article publishing charges are 1400 francs, which are equal to 3 lakh Pakistani rupees. Second question was SSCI. SS stands for Social Sciences, CI is Citation Index. It is also the part of Clarivate, and it has 3400 journals which belong to 58 social science disciplines. I have made a detailed video, Research 33, how to find HEC recognized journals. Over there, I have given a detailed overview about Web of Science and how can you find out suitable journal for your research title, abstract and keywords. This is the list of SSCI journals. You will just paste this link, and this page will open. Look at this picture on the left hand side, and you will click on SSCI. This is Social Science Citation Index. You will click on it and you will apply and search. Only SSCI journals will come in front of you. If you want to get AHCI, then uncheck it and click on Arts and Humanities Citation Index, AHCI, and then you can find out only AHCI journals. I show you its demo. This is here Clarivate website has been opened. This is social science citation index journals. Okay. So now all journals belong to SSCI. You can go through it has a long list of 3,565 and 10 items, 10 journals have been shown in one go. If you want to find out only arts and humanities, then uncheck it. You will find all journals which fall in the domain of AHCI. But if a person wants all those journals which fall in both categories, so keep both checks on. These are the blue colored checks, and then you will find it's 4,997 results. On one page, there are 10 journals have been shown. So this is the way to explore journals from SSCI and AHCI. Thank you so much. If you have any question, please feel free to ask. I'm here to assist you. Thank you so much.